Hello people, welcome to another module in this course, that's computer vision. So computer vision is very important module and field of AI guys. Like nowadays computer vision with deep learning, it's doing some wonders. Like coming to the traditional definition of computer vision, it's a field of computer science and AI that works on enabling computers to see, identify and process in the same way that human vision does. Don't worry guys, I'll make it more simple. Like see this image. If you see this image, there's a bowl with the fruits. Like if you see this image, our eye will identify this and send the message to the brain. Those are all fruits, right? So that is nothing but human vision. Like the ability for an eye to see and the brain to understand what is there in the image is nothing but a human vision system, right? So computer vision system is simple guys. Like in the place of brain, like if our machine will interpret what is there in the image. To make it more simple, computer vision is the capability of a machine to identify and process what is there in the image. Like if you take video is nothing but set of images, so I'm taking everything in the image format only. You got it? The computer vision will get the ability for the machine to identify what is there in the image. Okay, so coming to the applications of computer vision, there are a lot of applications guys, but I chosen few applications. Facial recognition system. Like if you take this application, like you are all using the face unlock system, right? We'll use it. So what will happen, like at the time of setting the password, like the mobile will take an image. Okay, so it will store in the mobile. Like when the same image appear in the front of the camera, the mobile will understand, will match the same image, the same person is trying to unlock the phone, and it will give the access. So what is happening here, the machine will understand what is there in the image. Okay, so this is an application of computer vision. And coming to the self-driving cars, these cars are enabled with some sensors guys. These sensors, what will happen, it will identify, like if this is a car, this car sensors will identify what is there around it, and if they find any objects, so it will sense, it will process that object in, it will send in message to the machine. Okay, then the machine will take some necessary actions, and that is how the self-driving cars will move. Okay, and coming to the automatic attendance system, so nowadays what is happening is it's very difficult to take an attendance manually. So what they are doing is there will be some video capturing device. Okay, so we call it as a sensor device, something like that. So it will take some video, the people will pass through it. Okay, people will pass through it, all these faces already trained for the machine. When these identify the faces, so it will automatically identify the image of that person and will send it to in a database. That is how the automatic attendance system will work. Coming to the video surveillance system, this is also same like attendance system only. Here the video sensor will identify if there is any unknown person or with any the objects which is not allowed inside it. Like suppose if the person is carrying a gun, the surveillance system identify this object is a gun, and it will alert the management will take necessary actions. So that is how the video surveillance system is also an application of computer visions. There are a lot of applications guys. Computer vision is doing so many wonders nowadays. It's combination of deep learning, computer vision, it's doing wonders. So in the coming next videos, I'll show you what are the libraries are used in computer vision, and we'll do some simple facial detection and recognition project. Okay, thank you guys.